This is where Brian is. Hi, babe. My adventurer. Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a beautiful fall day, and we are headed out to a surprise to the kids right now.
Is that a bike?
So we stopped for a second to pump some air in the tire for the stroller. I don't even know if I got to say what we were doing today, but we're going on a small hike and a nature walk with some people. So anyway, the kids are excited, but they don't completely know what we're doing. I just had to give Savannah her passy because she was wreaking havoc, and I'm just not that strong. So that's what she looks like right there. Oh, and they're here. They're here. We're back in Philly again. We've been in Philly a lot lately, haven't we? Hi, Jorah.
Hey, today we're going hiking.
Yay.
10 miles.
No, it's not, is it?
I mean, it can be if you want it to be.
How many miles is it, Jorah?
It's long.
You guys have been here before?
The first time we went, I wore cute stuff, and it was not a good idea. The next time I went...
Look at how pretty it is. It's the fall. Yay.
A little bit, but it's like whatever.
Yeah.
And I need
It's
to
so
be like,
pretty.
oil.
Look at it.
Order.
Okay, let me go help him get the children. You excited, Mama?
You want to ride around?
Here are the puddles, and Kendall has been itching to jump in some puddles. But he's gonna make good choices, right, Kendall? He's gonna make good decisions.
Yeah, pretty good balance,
But we control the situation. Everything's okay.
What's wrong, buddy?
More picture taken. You have something to say?
3. We're having fun. I said just gonna walk a few miles, maybe 7 miles up and down the trail.
I'm thinking 9.
9.
9. I
You guys-
think we can do 9.
You game?
9 miles with the
9
kids?
miles with the kids?
No. No.
Come on.
And he wants me to make sure I get pictures with him. I can do that.
We don't have any pictures together.
We
Out
don't.
of the 10 years we were married,
It's really sad.
we probably have maybe
Wow.
a handful of pictures together. There's a waterfall.
Look at this waterfall. It's beautiful.
I don't want to pee.
Kids have to have snacks wherever they go. Right, Darren? And adults too. And adults too. here and we're like halfway through our walk. I think we're gonna stop and turn around now before the kids get way too tired. But it's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. See? It's always so nice to get out of the house with the kids as much as possible. I don't know, just sit and look at all the stuff that God made. I'm just always in awe. Like the fall is so beautiful. Like the colors of the trees, and it's just gorgeous. It's just amazing. And I love my sister. She always has me doing stuff that I maybe otherwise would not have done. Right?
Yes, so you just sometimes she needs a little push. But when you get her out here, she has such a good time, right?
Here, look at them. They're so cute.
Okay, well, let me see you tired. Okay?
You have to love aunts and uncles who are so into their nieces and nephews because they are the best. My kids have the best aunts and uncles. Really, they do. Last night I was listening to a message and it was so good. And it was talking about resting in the promises of God. And it just really hit me because during this time for us, it's a challenge this time for us with Brian not working, and obviously I don't work, I'm with the kids, so it has been a challenge. But just knowing that it's okay to rest in the promises of God and that you do what you can do, but other than that, you know, clear your mind and focus on just kind of spending time with Him and looking for Him to tell you what to do and how to do it. And it was just exactly what I needed to hear last night. I think it was what he needed to hear too, because he kind of caught the tail end of it.
What?
I'm so thankful for my sister. Did I say that already? She always grabs me and pulls me outside of my comfort zone, and it's such a wonderful thing. And look at how gorgeous that bridge is. I'm telling you, like, the fall is one of my favorite seasons, which is really not saying much because I think I like all 4 seasons. I just like, in general, when the seasons change. I don't know, I love when the seasons change. It's just new and exciting and different. I don't think I'd ever want to live in a place that didn't have seasons, you know, that changed.
So we have viewers? We have viewers?
Yeah. Yeah, an audience.
Yeah. Piece and be the one that branches out and moves to like China or something.
He would be. He would be.
He just goes out on mountain.
You think most people's middle child are like this?
So I met a lady yesterday. I sat next to him on the plane, and their middle child, the little one, the 8-month-old was fine, the 9-year-old was fine, but the 4-year-old was like, why don't we fly? And then the lady was telling me later that her oldest and youngest are chill. She said, but the middle one, she's like,
yeah, I feel like most middle children are like this. We're out here today in Philly. We are walking for research for diabetes with Christian today. We have the children out here. They are excited to walk today. Right, Brian?
Right.